No, mommy. No, mommy. No, mommy. No, mommy. She don't want me to play with her toy. No, mommy. Mommy. Give it to mommy. Mommy. She is mad. Oh my darling Clementine, we are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine. Wow! Ivelia. Wow, mommy! Mommy's new toy. Wow!
Can you find the number 9?
9.
Good. Where is the number 5? X.
Ibelia, where are you?
Wrong.
Come.
Please try it again.
Fine, fine, fine.
Listen, friend. Can you spell the word jellyfish?
Wow, you have to spell the word jellyfish.
J-E-L-L.
Where's L? Y.
Y.
F? Where's F?
F.
F. I. Where's I?
I.
S?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.